will study about the example 1.1. This is the find the flux and current for if the first question is the number of turns is doubled to n is equal to 1000 turns while the circuit dimension remain the same, and if the number of turns is equal to the n is equal to 500 and the gap is reduced to 0.400 centimeter. If we can check, the solution will come out. The flux is 9 into 10 to power minus 4 Weber, 9 into 10 to power minus 4 Weber, and I is equal to 0.40 ampere, and the second 9 into 10 to power minus 4 Weber, and I is equal to 0.64 ampere. If we check this by using MATLAB plot, the inductance of the magnetic circuit of example this and the figure 1.2 as a function of core permeability over a range 100 less or equal to mu or less or equal to 100,000. For the MATLAB, check the figure 1.2. What is the figure 1.2? Tells that magnetic circuit with air gap. This is the current I comes to this point actually, and this is the current flowing in this coil. Suppose current is flowing, and what is the function? This is the current flowing direction. What is the current flowing direction? Is closed finger direction is the current flowing, and this is the direction of flux. So the flux will be this direction, and the current will be this direction actually. Then we can say that the magnetic flux line follow this path. After this there is a air gap G. This is the air gap G. Air gap G permeability mu naught, and the area is Ag, and this is the magnetic core permeability mu and area AC. The magnetic circuit with air gap, and this is the mean core length. So we will perform this into MATLAB. This is the winding turns, number of turns is the n. Now we will check here the coding for the MATLAB. So this is the MATLAB command actually, we can work for it. This is the control clear, and after it we can place here mu naught is equal to pi into 4 point e minus 7. After that we can put here the command actually. We can check here the script file editor where we put this, and after that this is the permeability of free space. This is the mu naught e pi into 4 minus e to power minus 7, and all dimension expressed in meter. This is the dimension of air gap, this is the core, this is the G, and this is the L, and this is the number of turns. The reluctance of air gap is Rg is equal to G divided by this much, and after that we can check here this the for condition is the mu r, and this is the r total, and this is the, after that we can r total, this is the rg plus rgn, and the inductance ln, like this, and the plot, this is the, now we can check here, we can save it, and after that we can plot it, or we can run, then we can see this is the our plot, where this is our plot where inductance H, core permeability is this, and we can check here the complete graph of this much. So then this is the script of our question. You can put also here, this is the, take the copy, and you can check here in the command window, and make a enter, and we can close here again. So we can put, and this is the enter, and this will show the exact output, in where we can see this is the inductance and this is the correlative permeability. Okay, then after this question we will find another, the next tutorial for electrical machine, where we deal with MATLAB coding and the simulations. Thank you, technocrats. Thank you.